Hi everyone, welcome back to Coding Ninja YouTube channel. Myself Rajat Rawat, and in this video we're talking about how to remove bugs from your code, or basically how you can debug your code efficiently. So suppose you have written a code for a problem, and your code basically fails on some test cases. Then what you can do, there are two ways to figure it out where your approach is wrong. First is that you take the test case and then dry run that test case for your entire program. Okay, and then you figure it out that in which part of the program or in which function your problem arises. Okay, that is the one way. Second way is that what you can do, you make debugging statements or debugging print statements in your code. Like suppose your code is going through three functions: function A, function B, and function C, and then it is printing output. Now after every function you put a print statement so that you are able to see that after function A, what was your output, after function B what was their output, and after function C what was their output, so that you are able to trace back, or you are able to track that in which function your output is giving wrong, or in which function you have written wrong, so that your output is getting wrong. Okay, so there are two ways in which you can able to remove bugs from your code, or in which you can able to efficiently debug your code, and this will definitely help in industries also, because debugging is the skill which you need to require to master DSA, because there will be time come when your code will become there will be errors in your code, or your test case won't run. Then there you need to find or debug your code, that where you have where you gone wrong. Okay, so these are the two tips which you need to keep in mind so as to remove bugs from your code. So this is all about this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.
Hi there! Before we proceed further in the video, I would like to inform you that Coding Ninjas has come up with a scholarship test called CNSAT. If you participate in this test, you can avail up to 100% scholarship on any course at Coding Ninjas. It can be DSA, web development, product company interview preparation, and even data science and many more courses. So if you want to participate, click on the link in the description below or the pinned comment and participate now. Happy learning, guys!